Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video I'm going to be looking at how to make money on Fiverr selling your voice. So what do I mean by selling your voice? Some people call it voiceover artist, but in this video I'm gonna choose it as selling your voice, because all you have to do is just do some recording and sell it on Fiverr platform. And I'm gonna show you the old tools that will be needed and how you can actually get started on Fiverr marketplace by selling that service on Fiverr platform. Sorry. So I'll be looking out to some existing sellers who are into this and see how they are actually doing, if this service actually worth it. Then we'll look into how much you can actually earn on a monthly or yearly basis, and what are the equipment that will be needed to do a voiceover or to sell your voice on Fiverr. Then we'll look into some people that have actually been doing this thing. And don't forget, the way I'm actually doing this video right now, just like you might not know the person that is recording this video, or let's say you might not have seen me before, or me put myself in a video and speaking. So and you can't even tell sometimes if I hire someone to do a video for me. So it's just as easy as that. I can hire someone to do voiceover for my video, and then I'll just upload it for free on YouTube. So definitely people can hire you on Fiverr, then you do the voiceover for your video, then you get paid for doing such. So, and that is very easy as that. And trust me, I'm recording this video with my mobile phone. I'm not even using any microphone for this video, and it's not even connected to my PC. I'm using my PC, then I'm using my phone to record this voice, then I'll implement or add it to my video editor after I finish recording. So it's as easy as that. I don't buy any tools or use any other tool apart from my phone, my PC, and then the Camtasia that I'm actually using to record this video. So it's just as simple as that. But trust me, if you actually want to make more professional voice over for people, you will definitely need some tools which will help you to do some editing and add some voice effect to your voiceover before you send to your client. But due to the fact that I'm making this video for myself, so I don't need to go through all that stress, because it's just for me, and I can be rest assured that you definitely hear everything I'm saying in this video. So that is just that. So we're looking out to what type of videos. As you can see here, most of these videos are based on voiceover. The person that owns this channel might not be the one recording his or her voice on this channel. He or she might hire someone to do the voiceover for the video, then they will implement the voice in the video, then do some screen recording or find some stock footage online, then put it in the video. So it's just as simple as that. And people use different kind of methods to generate voice for their video. Some people use AI software to generate voice, and some people use real human for voiceover for their video. So it just depends on what method people actually want to use. But in other way around, if you actually want to make money on Fiverr marketplace, so the next thing is just for you to just start selling a voiceover service on Fiverr marketplace. So let's search for voiceover, then we'll see how sellers are actually doing this niche. So as you can see here, we have different kind of voiceover, and trust me, you can make money with any language you are speaking. So voiceover for YouTube, voiceover English, voiceover Arabic, voiceover British, and voice over Hindi. So any language you speak, you will definitely make money on this platform. So let's search for voice over YouTube. So we can see the sellers there. So we have 680 gigs with this keyword voice over YouTube. So these people will definitely do voiceover for YouTube videos. I can come on this platform and say that I want to hire someone to do voiceover for my YouTube video, and trust me, there used to be a returning client on this one. If a client wants to start a YouTube channel and they hire you to do a voiceover for their video and that video perform really great, they are going to keep buying your service often and often. So far your voice is selling, and they won't like the fact that they want to change the voice of the channel. So they would like to keep you on the channel and work with you as a team to make more money. And also don't forget, you also make more money as well. So that is just what voiceover artist does. So you record the voice, then they implement it in the video, then you both make money, they make money and you also make money too. So there are tons of sellers offering this service on Fiverr platform, as you can see, and you can also search through different languages. So that is just for voice over YouTube. You can search for voice over Arabic. So let's see what we got. So I'll record your Arabic voiceover. So you can see different people, different sellers from different countries are on Fiverr to offer their service, and you can see all this kind of gig. So this is close to 1,000 review. People keep coming back, and that's how they will keep coming back to your own gig as well once you start offering a service. So what are the tools you need, and how much should you expect on a monthly or yearly basis? So I also do some research on Google to ask Google how much people are actually making as a voiceover artist. So how much does voiceover artists make? So this is the result I got so far, and this was updated on the May of this year. So entry level voice actor earn from 13,500 to 31,000 per year, and as you can see, it keep on increasing. So there is no limit to how much you can actually earn on a monthly or yearly basis. So what are the tools you definitely need to get started? So like I made mention earlier, I explained to you how I also do my own voice. So but if you actually want to start as a professional and offer this as a service, so I suggest you just get any of these tools, either Audacity, Adobe Audition, Voice Recorder, Pro Tool, Garage, something, I don't know, WavePad, Audio Editor. So you can get any of these tools, and then you can also look into this. So get any of this microphone. I guess it will definitely be useful for you. So if you want to start the business, so as you can see here, these are some samples and these are some tools you definitely need to fine-tune your voice, because you are selling a service, and if your voice is not really cool as they actually want it, they are not going to come back or even purchase your service. And you can also see that most of these sellers put video on their gig so that the clients will definitely understand their voice and before they hire or order their service. So let's check on this and see what voice this seller has. So if you hear Arabic, you'll be able to understand this voice. So let's check on this one too.
صوت يجلب الحياة لمشروعك. صوت حماسي مليء بالحيوية
ليحفز. Let's try this too.
نحن نحصد ونقطف الطماطم بعناية في موسمها.
So you can see that too. So different kind of voice on the platform, different kind of voice. So the more your voice is, the more people will definitely patronize your service. So This is how it's done, and you can see it's very simple. It's very, if you don't know about Fiverr before, I have made a video on how to set up a profile on Fiverr, and it's as easy as possible because I do a video from A to Z on how to create a Fiverr account from scratch till the end, and how to design Fiverr gig image for your Fiverr gig or for your profile. So you can also check the description below to find those videos. It was made in 2 different versions, and you will be able to understand everything explained in the video. If you have any question regarding this video, can you drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.